Hey guys, this is your girl Kaylee Sparks with you today, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flat circle for beginners friendly. Today I'm using a MH acrylic yarn and the color is peach, and I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, this is also a flat circle. This made with a plastic yarn. I'm not sure of the name of this yarn, but this is also a flat circle. You can use it to make handbag or even placemat. So let's get into this. Remember, this video is a beginners friendly, so if you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe now. Place two finger, hold your yarn with your thumb, wrap the yarn around your two fingers, push your hook in between those two fingers, hook up the bottom thread and pull it up. So when you pull it up, we don't want the circle to close up. So what we're going to do is place 12 double crochet into this circle. So we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then we're going to yarn over, go back into this circle, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So we're going to do 12 double crochet, yarn over, go back into the circle, pull your hoop up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So you're going to do this 12 times, and when you finish your 12, I will come back with you and tell you what you're supposed to do next. So we are finished our 12 double crochet, so you count it to make sure, because this work will be consisting of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have our 12 double crochet, so we're going to tug onto this and close up our circle. Then this is what we're going to do next. Go on top of our chain of 3, yarn over, pull through, and that is a slip stitch. So to give you guys a better understanding of what we are going to do, this is what we're going to do. This is what we do. We chained up our 3, so that is one of our chain, and we're going to do it 12. We did it 12, sorry. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's what we just finished right here. So what we're going to do now is double crochet, and we're going to have 12 and add 12 to it. So if we add 12 to it, that will be 24. So it's 24 we're going to do for our second round. So we're going to put 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's 24, and that's what we want in our next round. So we're going to go again and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go right back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through all 3, and we are going to go into our next stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through all 3, and we're going right back into that same stitch. And that's what we're going to do. We go to the next one, and we're going to place 2 double crochet in every single one. So we go back into it again. Let me show you guys again. Go in, yarn over, go into our next stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, go back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So to make it more easier, instead of going on the top, we are going in between, right in between where you see these holes. That's where we're going, in between. So for beginners, that is more easier for you to get a flat circle. So guys, when you finish your 22, I'll be back with you. So we have our 24. So what we're going to do is slip stitch. Make sure that you count it off, so you will make sure that you have 24, because this project is consisting of counting. So before you slip stitch, make sure that you count it off to make sure that you have 24. So this is what we're going on to next. So we had 24 on our last counting, so we are at 24. So 24 plus 12 equal to 36. So 36 is what we are going to go next into the third row, and then we're going to have 36 plus 12 again equal to 48. And each row we do, we're going to add 12 to it. So let me show you how to do that. We go again by chain up 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, so we go back into the same stitch. Then we're going to go into our next one and just do 1 double crochet, and then next stitch we do 2 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, and then we do 1 again, and then we're going to the next one and we do 2. So in every one we're going to do 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So remember, this is 2, and in the next one we do only 1, and then we're going to go into the next one with 2, and that's what we're going to do, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you finish this row, you're supposed to have 36. So I'll be with you when you finish up your 36 chain. So I did my 36, but to count off, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we have our 36 double crochet, slip stitch right on top of our third chain that we started out from, and we did our 36. So we're going on now to our 36 plus 12 or 48. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do next for this one. So with this rounds, it's going to be a little bit different. So we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. When you chain up your 3, we're going to go into the next stitch. Sorry. So that's 1. So that's 1, 2. Then we're going to place 2 into this one. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah. 2 into this space, and then we're going to do 2 single, 1 into this one, skip again, going to the other one, 1. So what we're doing is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then this one now is 2. So let me give you an idea. The first one we did with our magic circle was 12. Then the next one that we did was 2 into every 12, and that's the way we get our 24. And then this, when we went into this one, we did 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, and that gave us our 36. And this row that we are on now, we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2 into the same one, 1, 2, then 1, 2 into the same one. So let me set it like this. So 2 into every one, and then 1, 2, 2 into the same one, and that is what going to give us our 48. So if we are going to go more than our 48 and we want to get to 60, what we're going to do is 2 into the same, the first one that we're going to start up with, then give 1, 2, 3, then go back and increase with 2 again, then 1, 2, 3, then an increase with 2 again, and then 1, 2, 3, and that would give us our 60. And if we are going to continue again, we're going to go 1, 2 into the first one, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2 into the next one, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would give us our 72. So if you want to know how to do an increase different from just making a coaster or just a flat circle, if you want it to go bigger, that's what you're going to do. So let's go back again to show you our finishing. So we got 2 right here, so we did going to the next stitch, and we're going to do 1, going to our next stitch again, and we're going to do 1, and then our other stitch is going to have 2. I hope I'm showing you guys this as easy as possible, because this video is a beginners friendly. Then we're going to go 1 again, and then we're going to go 1 again, and then we're going to go 2 into the same stitch. So remember guys, when we chain up our 3, we classify that as 1, and we're going to another one, and then we did 1, 2, 2 into the next stitch, then we did 1, 1, then 2 into the same stitch, then 1, 1, 2 into the same stitch. So when you finish off this row, we'll see what we're going to do next. So I'm at the finishing of my work, so I'm going to do a slip stitch, but please remember, in every rounds, do your counting. Do your counting so that you'll have a perfect flat circle. Do your counting. This is a perfect flat circle, so do your counting, guys. So let's give you a little review to make sure that you guys are getting it correctly. So remember, guys, this is what you're going to do to make it more easy and simple for beginners friendly. This is what you're going to do a 12 times table, because I know the first time I was trying this was like very hard to get it. I used to get totally different shape. So no, I know, guys. So this is the easiest way to get your circles correctly. This is what you're going to do. Do a 12 time table. Round 1, you're going to do 12 in your magic circle. And round 2, you're going to do 12 more, as in double crochet in every 2 chain. In every chain do you do a double crochet, and that will give you 24. And round 3, you're going to add 12 again to it, and that will give you 36. So remember, you did you do 2 double crochet into the first one, which you know that your first chain 3 will classify as a double crochet, and then you do a single, double, single, double, single, and that's your increase. Your double is what you make for your increase, so it'd be 36. And then if you want to continue it, rounds 4, you do 12 addition again, and that will give you 48, and that's how it go again. 2 into the same one, then you do single, 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 2 into the same one, then single, single, single. And if you're going to continue, that's what you do. Just add more to your single and continue putting your double for your increases. So guys, I hope this beginner friendly flat circle has shown you how to do this flat circle. And it's your girl Kaylee Sparks, and don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and you guys can just slow down the video if you're not getting it properly. But always remember, in every round, count your circle so that you will be having the perfect flat circle, guys. Counting your circle make a perfect flat circle. So guys, it was fun being here with you today, and you guys can send me any pics of your choice on Instagram, and everything will be in the description down below, and touch that notification bell. Peace out. Love you guys.